First of all, good morning everyone. My name is Badal Chaudhary. Today I am going to represent my Node.js authentication project and show that what code I have applied for building this project. Before moving to the project code, let's understand what is Node.js authentication. So first to understand what is Node.js authentication, authentication and authorization in Node.js. User authentication and authorization is one of the important part of any web application. Authentication and authorization are critical component of Node.js application security. Adopting comprehensive authentication procedure guarantees that users are who they claim to be while authorizing regulates access to resource depending on the authenticated user privileges. Application written with Node. The role of authentication ensures that non-admin user cannot make change or access exclusive information. It grants administrative privileges to admin user. First, I will show you how my website is working practically. Then I will go for written code behind it. This is my page UI. As you see, I had already added two options: is login or sign up option. Login button is for user who had already account created and they have user ID and password. And second one, sign up button is for user who didn't have any account for visiting first time on website. So now I'm going to show you practically how it's work. I'm here, the new user who visiting the site. That's why I'm going to create a new account by clicking sign up button. Now page is asking to add further details. So now I'm going to add my name, then email ID, then password, then confirm password. Now I'm going to add my name, email ID, now password, again password to confirm that password. Now I have to click on the submit sign up button. Now I have to click on sign up button. Now you can see on my screen I have added, it will showing the account has been created. Here I have two more options for logout and reset option. If my work is done, then I go for logout, and if I forgot my password, then I have to go for reset password. Now I'm going to reset my password. Now here you can see on my screen it is asking for now now here you can see on my screen it is asking for new password, and now I'm going to add a new password. So it will update this password by previous password, and here I have to enter the new password. That is, here it's done successfully. Let's check it has updated or not. Here you can see it is updated the new password by previous one. So this is my working project. Now I'm going to move on written code behind it. So here is my main code index.js. This is a Node.js application that uses several packages including Express, EGS, Mongoose, Session, Flash, VC, RYPT, and Passport. This code is started by importing the required package and created an instance of Express application using constant application equal to Express. Here you can see all required packages, and it defines a user schema using Mongo and create a new user model based on this schema. Now line 42, we are moving to the here. Here you can see the schema. Here you can see Mongoose connection link. Okay. Now here, now come to the main root. Main root has defined as index.file. Okay, now coming to the first root to login, which get handles request to the login page. It renders the login point, passes any flash message, stored the message object. Okay, now come to the reset. Here the second boot backslash login, which handles the package request to the login page. It first retrieves the email and password value from the request word, then it searches the database for the user with the specific using the find one method. Here it user represent, then enter the email and same password while creating UI sign up page. Okay, now coming to the reset, that I brought the reset password which handle the request to the reset password page. It retrieves the token value from the request parameter and render the reset password view, passing the token value and any flash messages. Now come to the fourth root post reset password. It retrieves the token password and confirm password value. The request word the password do not match itself of flash message and retrieve back to the set password page with the token in the URL. If password matches, it uses the find one and update the user password and clear the reset password token. Okay, here you can see find one and update line number. Okay, now came to the forget password route. The post request received an email. Enter the user forget form of the subject of the matches message indicating the error. If no error is found, the provided email address server indicating the user back to the forget and server send a password reset email to the user email address. The redirected to the back to the forget password page with the flash messaging indicating the message was sent. Now came to the sign up route, the post request. Here it is here. Here sign up. See the sign up route post request username, email, password and confirm the password entering the sign up page from the search engine user. The same email address using the user model. Find one method user if the same email address already existing the server. Here you can see the sign up server retrieve user back to sign up page with the flash message indicating the error message help the email has already exist. If email not exist, then create a new user by using the data and save the other data redirect to login page. Okay, now came to the logout and get the request logout to the creator object from the user session to redirect the user. In this file, start the create a port and listen on the specific port incoming client request. The process name port variable is used to obtain the port number from the environment variable host machine of a deployment platform. If it is not available, default to the port of 8000, it is default port of 8000. So this is the code behind the project and thank you. This is all about the project.